Alright guys, I'm back here, and as disgusting as it is, I'm going to have to put my fingers in there to grab things. I was trying to use a tool, but it just didn't work, so see if we can get some of that garbage that comes out, and then put it away in this container to throw out. Let's see if I can grab anything useful. Even with my hands, it's hard to get anything. There's bigger pieces than that. I know, because I saw it earlier. I saw it out. It's just impossible to see through this foam. It's impossible to see what's in there. What you need is a sieve of some kind. This isn't going to do it. It's just not going to do it.